So hello everyone, good morning. This is our project Purti Planet near Behala Chaurasta, approximately 1.68 km from Behala Chaurasta Diamond Harbour crossing. Now you can see this is a 3 BHK actual flat of 1168 square feet super built up area with very beautiful L pattern living cum dining space along with attached balcony space. You can see the beautiful balcony along with water outlet, and here you can see this is the central garden area of the project. The beautiful view from the project along with a small temple, water purification plant and other buildings. So beautiful view from the flat. So this is the balcony space, and just beside that this is the kitchen space along with beautiful L pattern countertop, black granite countertop along with stainless sink, separate space for refrigerator, beautiful kitchen space, beautiful air and light. Now come this side. So again we are into living cum dining, ample space for electrical fittings. So now come this side. On my left side this is the common toilet space along with separate space for bath, wall mount commode and the basin space. Now just opposite to that this is the first bedroom along with a big size wardrobe space, a French style window and separate electrical fittings will be given. Like this is the size of approximately 12 feet long into 11 feet width. Now come again. This is on my left, this is the entry of our master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. Come this side with this wardrobe space, a very big size French style window along with very beautiful view of road. So you can see the road view along with some small gardens inside the boundary. So beautiful view from the master bedroom, and here inside that this is the attached toilet space with separate space for bath, wall mount commode and the basin area with all electrical points. So come again. So now we are entering into the third bedroom. So this is the third bedroom, and this is the most beautiful one. The size of this bedroom is approximately 13 feet long into 11 feet with a big size wardrobe space and two windows for cross ventilation. So you can see this is the front road of the project in front of the gate, and here in this side you can see the central garden of the project, the beautiful children's playing area and the garden of the project. So beautiful flat of 3 BHK 1168 square feet super built up area. So this is the third bedroom, this is the master bedroom, and this side this is the first bedroom, and opposite to that this is the attached toilet, common toilet, and this side you are having balcony space and kitchen. And just see the beauty of this living cum dining hall. It's L pattern, huge living cum dining. So thank you everyone, thanks for watching. So if you are interested then please call as early as possible, because we are having single unit left of this size and we are having no GST offer currently. So hurry up. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.